Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today me and Noah are at Quarry Hill Nature Center. It's a nice day out. It's gonna be a great time.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Going in the visitor center to see the animals. Look at the frog. What's in here? Whoa. He's sleeping.
Another big one here.
Ooh. This one's cool. He's chilling.
Yeah.
Whoa, what was that? Did you see that?
Felt real to him.
I know. It was real. I don't like snakes.
Those are cool snake. Those my cabin.
Really? That's scary. Don't they bite?
What the fuck is that?
I think it's a baby owl. Or a hawk. Oh, the baby owl's over there. My mom would love that. If they would show their face. So cute. It's a baby owl. Every time I record.
Walking in.
Oh, he turned his head around. There's a nest right there, and then mallards in the water. Such a nice day. We're at the retaining wall. And no one is over here, which I love. Then I can get pictures. Look at that. Here's on the very top. It's muddy. We should look up here. Guys, it's a butterfly. Whoa. That's pretty. When that could be perfect picture. It's
Go
wet.
across the rocks there.
You want to?
No.
Well, you could go this way.
No.
The frogs are croaking back and forth. Same. Just standing on that thing. That was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Oh boy.
Bye!